stop it. All right, you good? Coach, tough game here. First of all, set your name for us, please.
Byjeon Thomas.
All right, coach. Really tough game here. We see definitely what the Chapleton Maroons is about possession play. You think that the game, the team executed as you want, despite the scoreline?
Not really, but I can't kill them because we started training late, so it's a work in progress.
A lot of the Glenmere youngsters here. How important is their addition now to this team?
Everybody is important, including them.
All right, so for, overall, it's a good start to the season from your perspective. This loss really damper anything to the team in your perspective?
I know it's a long season. We lost to the best team based on points, but we'll be back. We'll be stronger.
What's the target for Chapleton Maroons this season?
The target is to just go into every game knowing that we want to win. That's the target right now.
Coming into this game, what much do you know about the Race United team, and how you plan to get the victory over them? What was the plan coming to this game?
We know the racing team because it's a team that they have been playing together for a while. We know Anthony Patrick. He's a coach that I actually worked under previously. So we came into the game to try and stop their diagonal balls and their ball into the forwards, but it didn't work. But we'll go again.
You guys scored the early goal. You think that you could have hold on a little bit longer? Or do you think other factors really affected the game?
Yeah, I think today it was the small margins, this familiarity that cost us, but we'll come again.
All right, coach. See you guys again. Here, coach. Big up.